Well, I just got a call and an email from the team back home. They need an amendment for our lease that we're in our current space before we move to our new space, and it is on our system, ECAP. And so I am in the middle of nowhere, as I was just showing you guys, and so I've pulled safely off the side of the highway to do some safe ECAPing. I want to basically get onto ECAP and get access to the file through the desktop, and I'm going to be doing it on my iPhone because I'm in the middle of nowhere. I have to use my 3G connection. So in order to get the file for them, basically I'm going to log into ECAP using iTap, same iTap that you would use on an iPad, but again, because I'm in the middle of nowhere, I don't have a Wi-Fi connection here. All I've got is a 3G connection. I'm basically going to log into my server. So as you can see here, it's logging in. And once it logs in, I'll basically have my full-blown desktop, which you'll see here in a minute. As you can see, it's logged in now where I last left off before I logged in, or when I last logged out. So it's a very small screen, but what you do is you just use your fingers, just like this, to zoom in and out, and so you can clearly see the screen. And basically double clicking on the email from the lawyers and Angela saying that they need the lease. So I've double clicked on that. I'm gonna just hit reply. So basically there's my desktop, and again, very hard to see. So all I do is I use my fingers here to zoom in, so you can zoom in really close. And now you can see the reply all button, which I'll tap, and then what you see is the new email comes up looking for whatever I want to do with it. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm just going to go to attach file, and you'll see the listing of files has now come up, and I'm just going to zoom in. And I'm going to navigate to where I put that file on the system. Folder. And then there's the amendment. And now it's attaching it. So now it's attached to the email. Hopefully you can see that on there. And then I just hit send. And that went out, and now I'm back to here, and then I just disconnect by 3 fingers to the right, and it's done. Now that email wouldn't have been able to go out because I wouldn't have been able to have access to that attachment if it weren't for using Network Alliance in the ECAP system. So again, I hope that was a helpful demonstration, and I look forward to seeing you all when I return to Virginia.